Hey, do they have the parking off of Ferryville? Okay, come on.
What's going off?
Oh, okay. All right, so we can park over where we usually do.
I don't know what
Then
happened
just
to
walk
our
in
schedule.
there. Okay, that sounds real good. All right, thanks, Mikey. Later.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois.
Winnebago, it's for us.
At 10:30 a.m. At 9:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dakota and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
There's a big window over
wind
there.
damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Land and Pecatonic at around 9:40 a.m. Machesney Park in Drockton around 10 o'clock a.m. Roscoe around 10:05 a.m. Poplar Grove around 10:15 a.m. Capron around 10:20
They didn't
a.m.
mention us.
Other locations affected: Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford River Hawks Baseball, Rockford Speedway, Winnebago County Fairgrounds. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
Well, it looks like it's more north though, like that.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.